Yo. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome, welcome, welcome. Happy Friday. How's everyone doing today? We're doing a bit of an early start today. Ooh, Janix is off work until January 2nd. Let's go. Tyler, what's going on? Good day, Greg. Welcome, everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Smash the like button on your way in. Let's get into some charts. Let me see. Ta-da! Guys, I accidentally closed my stream. Oops. How's everyone doing today? Happy Friday. It is Friday. Christmas is next week. For anyone that celebrates Hanukkah, I'm pretty sure that's coming up too. Just happy holidays. Happy holidays to everyone in general. I celebrate Christmas, so Merry Christmas. Everybody else that celebrates whatever you celebrate, or if you don't celebrate anything, Happy Friday. It's a good day. Tyler said, we made it through the bear trap. Janix said, the. Tyler said, every chart bull run has a bigger bear trap in it. I'm still up in the air as to whether or not I think that was a bear trap or a bull trap. I don't know. I can't make up my mind right now. But let's update our liquidation points. I just blinded everyone. I'm sorry, guys. Normally I have my my stuff in order. Today I do not. Getting a bit of an early start on stream for you guys. We did just liquidate $94.5 million. See, here's my problem. There's no liquidity above us. 97,927. That's like nothing. 97,927. And then below we got 95,370. And then 95,029. I'm going to put all of these on there because I think there's a good chance that we hit them. I hope I'm wrong. And then I guess I'm just going to go down to this bad one. 80 million, 92,301. There we go. Okay. So yeah, there we are. Lot of liquidity below, not so much above. It's a little sketch. Hoff said, I was trying to take a nap. Now you are early stream. It's actually good. That means stupid people aren't longing. That's not good, Michael, because the stupid people are longing. There's more liquidity below us than there is above us. Usually, we're looking for stupid people shorting so that we can liquidate them. More money said XRP looking fantastic, getting ready to explode. Tyler said, look at the M on the total market cap turning W. Do we got an MW on total 3? I don't see it. I see this M. You're talking like maybe this? I feel like the M is too big for how little the W looks right now. It's a giant M, so I would fully expect one of these. You know what I mean? There's got to be at least some distance between the center of the M and the W, in my opinion. Just aesthetically, I mean. Being a designer, I suppose, I guess that's all that I have going for me when it comes to these charts. Hoff said half asleep. Yeah, you're right. There isn't a ton of liquidity, so you're not necessarily wrong. So usually there's like probably billions of dollars. There is less than 100 million right now, which is good. Or maybe I'm wrong. The highest one is 94 million on the chart. The highest one that is available up for grabs right now is 80 million, and usually there's like hundreds of millions, so there still isn't as much leverage liquidity, which is good. So you're right as well, Hobbs. Tyler said more like a M than N. LOL. Looking back at that little one. This little guy right here. It actually does look like a giant version of that. It's just crazy. Like this is the first time Total 3 had any kind of a break. And unfortunately, it looks like it's about to do this again. Holy crap. Did I just crack Da Vinci's code? Ooh. Is that it? Are we gonna... Imagine if we chop into... Where's my dates? Am I crazy? Oh, it doesn't go that far ahead? I'm only on a 4-hour, though. Oh my gosh, that's how long that lasted? What in the world? That was a nightmare. That was like most of the year. Jeez. I don't know. Just imagine if this just chops into the beginning of 2025. That would suck so bad. We still have yet to break through our previous high. You could make the argument for higher lows. Locally, though, it is a lower low, which is not a good thing. And a lower high, which is also not a good thing. However, we could be forming some sort of bullish pattern. There was bullish div. It got ruined. So now there's no div, and everybody's sad and depressed. And I don't think my answers are gonna make that any different. It is a good time to buy. I will say that. It's a great time to buy. Everybody's getting a Christmas discount. Kind of like how post-Christmas, everyone has like stuff to sell. They're either like getting rid of stuff that they had got like doubles of, or they're getting rid of old stuff to replace it with the new stuff. A bunch of stuff just goes up for sale after Christmas. That's kind of like what's happening. Tyler said, take the N fractal, LOL, but bigger. Where's the N? This? I don't know what the N is. Oh, this? Okay. What are you looking for? Are you looking for one of these? Yeah, I can see it. I could see it. So, if I wanted to justify an MW thing right here, I would do this. That would be my MW. And it actually might end up playing out. But as of right now, I hate to say it, guys, you got Pessimist JJ. And I think you might have Pessimist JJ for the 12-hour stream as well. Because I think we're going to do the 12-hour stream on Monday. What do you guys think? Monday, December 23rd, 12-hour stream from noon to midnight. What do you guys think? Yes, no, maybe so? Otherwise, I'd be looking at like maybe the 26th or the 27th. Let's see. Let me actually do a poll. Let me do a poll. I guess I'll put the 28th in there as well. Well, we'll let the people decide. All right. Tyler said, but let it drag up to April. Steve Mack said, Altseason going to start tonight. That would be so sick. Bitcoin dominance is still having trouble getting over that 50 daily moving average. Let me get that up on the chart here for you guys to see it. Unfortunately, my I guess the bear fractal didn't end up playing out for Bitcoin dominance. Look at that. It looks very similar to what I was projecting for December so far. Let's get our moving average up here. Yes, the 50-day moving average. If Bitcoin closes below this today and especially tomorrow, then we might genuinely be setting up for alt season, which would be great. This blue line right here, which currently the price is literally sitting at that exact point, almost perfectly. Right there. 1000%. Let's go back down to the 4-hour. Let's get rid of that. Let me get my stupid Fu Manchu thing that I don't use. I don't know. It's like an OCD thing. I have to have my chart the way that I've had it for the past 3-4 years. Zazawick said, if you looked at dominance in last cycle, it did this, dipped, then fake out back up. Okay, I like that. Last cycle, okay, let's go take a look at that then, because I do like that. Was it visible on the higher time frame, or should I just be doing it on the daily? I guess I should do it on the daily. Well, no, it's visible right now. So last bull market, 2021. Yeah, December 2020. So this is what I did. This is actually why, this is the fractal that I've been copying. Right here. This one last, like the fake out to the downside, then one last peak, and then it goes down and alt season begins. So it actually fits. This is beautiful right here. So we had October, November, alt season, and then December, alt season's dead. And then January, alt season begins again. So you get a little preview of alt season right here. A little preview. And then it kills it. And everyone's like, alts suck. Sell all your alts for Bitcoin. And then they start to dump their Bitcoin for alts. And then everybody that just sold their alts for Bitcoin panics and flips back into alts and pumps everybody else's bags. And everybody goes home happy except for the people that don't know how to time the market. It's a long con. But yeah, I do see that. I do. Tyler said we ain't doing anything major until January 20th. We might slowly rise up, but no big pumps. Greg said, okay, so yesterday, the top 10 US-based ETFs had an outflow of $672 million, but so far this week have accumulated over $734 million, so big deal. Zazawick said, yeah. Tyler said, what is that percentage drop? And then Hoff said, Chris, we're getting sad puppy dog JJ. Who's Chris? Oh, Christ. Yeah, I'm sad puppy dog JJ. Sorry, guys. I made the screen black for a second. My bad. I'm depressed, JJ. My fucking portfolio is down 50%. That's a lot. Everyone else is like, how's your portfolio down 50%? I don't fucking know. Ask Bitcoin. I didn't fucking do it. How's my portfolio down 50%? What kind of a stupid question is that? Number go down. That's how. Okay, what percentage is that drop? You're talking the one from last bull market. Can I go? I don't even think I can go there on the 4-hour chart. Trading View's like, give us money. Fucking assholes. What percentage is that drop? This first drop right here, and you got to keep in mind as well, we're in a different, from the peak to the bottom, was 9.78%. From candle body to candle body was like 4%, 3 to 4%. Right now, we got 10, 11%, and then candle body to candle body, 7%, 7 to 8%. And it makes sense because the liquidity is much higher liquidity this time around. But Bitcoin dominance is like, what is that? Hello? What is that blinky thing? Can I click on it? What? Do you guys see that? There's a creepy blinky thing on my page. Greg said, if you FOMO in at the top and panic sell the bottom, then you lose. Jalome Matias said, just don't sell anything unless in a profit. Everything will to new all-time highs within the next 6 months. I actually like that. I like that within the next 6 months prediction. Look at this. Look at how beautiful this is. I don't know what that blinking thing is. Okay, it's only on Bitcoin dominance. It's gone now. What the fuck was that? They're infiltrating the mainframe. Is it Corner? Is Corner going to make a return for the 12-hour live stream? Holy shit. Guys, if you don't know who Corner is, you're in for a treat. 1 second. All right, sorry about that. Jalome, yep, we read that. Yeah, I like the 6-month theory. I feel like that fits. On the weekly time frame, I'm looking for some more upside still. At the very least, I do want to see Bitcoin dominance at least touch 62% in order for me to say, yes, I was right. Because I want it to be higher than it was previously. This one, the top was 61.53. So I need 62 in order for me to be like, yep, I was right. And you guys know I don't like saying I was right all the time. Greg said, just remember the whole reason Bitcoin was created was to provide a globally available autonomous asset currency that circumvents goblet fiat. I'm assuming you meant to say government. The B is very close to the V. Central banks and government control. Another one. B next to the V. But yes, Greg, yes, I do remember. And everybody else should remember that as well. Satoshi made Bitcoin to fuck the government and your alts in the ass. Hoff said, Corner definitely a market maker. Hoff's Corner is more than likely deeply affiliated with Anonymous. So, yes, I would agree. All right, let's see. Let's go down to the 4-hour. .5% on Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin itself, it's trying its best. ETH, also trying its best. Sol, still down 1.5%. Total 3. I do like that Sol is holding this blue line, though. What is that from? That's the line that we can actually move wherever the hell we want to move it. It's from nothing, is what it's from. Oh, no, that's not true. That's not true. It was touching here. There's confluence. Whoa. You gotta love it when you have confluence. I've said that word so many times now that I hate it, but it's the only word that kind of applies to what I'm talking about. Total 3. Total 3 actually looks good. This line, I don't know what this line was from. I'm assuming maybe we had Bitcoin, or not Bitcoin, I'm sorry. I'm assuming we maybe had Bullish Div, which I don't think we do anymore. Nope. The Bullish Div was ruined, which makes me sad. Jeez, we don't even have Bullish Div here. This is crazy. So, we could get some continued downside. Others dominance actually kind of looks good compared to this fractal. Looking for a recovery. December 23rd. A little Santa rally, maybe. That'd be kind of cool. Because there was a drop. There was a drop in this fractal. I don't know how much you could maybe try to line that up. Doesn't really make sense anywhere, to be honest. I'll just leave it. ADA is up 4.5%. Still looks like shit. SNEC is up 6.8%. Still looks like shit. XRP. XRP actually looks amazing. This right here, this is sideways. This is great. It's holding these prices. And everyone was like, it's going to dump. It does this every single bull market. Well, guess what? It hasn't dumped yet. So, those people look like idiots. They were expecting it to go boop, boop, straight back down. And it didn't. It's literally chilling at local highs. That's awesome. I'm super stoked for XRP people. I think they deserve it. I think they've been getting shat on. Just like all the other like minority blockchains. HBAR also looking really good. Polkadot is recovering nicely, but it does look like crap. This looks like awful. This is terrible. If I held this, I would be pissed. And there's a lot of people in the Polkadot ecosystem. I genuinely feel really bad for them. That's so bad. They're almost back at their bear market lows. SUI came back with a vengeance. Looks amazing. RSI is like reset. Well, ish. It's sloppy. But it looks good. It does. I like these sharp recoveries from SUI. It's definitely a dip buyer for sure. C, not so much. Could use a little love for C. Cass, another really, really big disappointer. That Head and Shoulders is beautiful. I should have shorted that. I could have made bank. Imagine if I would have shorted right here when it broke. I would be up a lot. Avalanche is underperforming. I thought Avalanche was going to be doing great. It started doing really good out of nowhere, and then it just stopped. Kind of got stomped out by Bitcoin and Jerome Powell, if you will. Chainlink as well. Chainlink was doing fantastic, and now it looks like shit again, along with everything else. Doge. I mean, I like that they're establishing some volume in this area, because there wasn't really a lot of volume right here. But it does kind of look like there's no support either, and then it's just going to continue. So. Lunk up 5% on the day. Broke below its trendline support. So overall it looks like crap. Polygon Matic Pole. Polygon Matic Pole was beautifully holding this upper trendline support, and it broke below it. And it got a couple of 4-hour candles closed below it. So this is a big deal for Polygon Matic Pole. If it can't break back above this, then it's probably going to go down a significant amount. They might fake out a rejection. I don't know. We'll have to see. near holding the green line, which is what we wanted to see. Still upset that it broke this midterm support level, but it is what it is. I feel like near has tons of long-term potential. Dang, this thing is down. Wow, that sucks. Chili's also lost 13 cents. I do want to see it's getting reactions off of the levels that I pointed out, which is awesome. Great trades to have been had here. It lost that line. You could have shorted, and then it regained the line. So potential for a long, that's up to you. If you did, I would probably set a take profit at this next level. Not financial advice. MicroStrategy up 11.5% on the day, so slightly recovering. DXY, a little bit dumpy. Silver, still looks like crap. NASDAQ, a little baby recovery. S&P, little baby recovery. That's probably why the market's starting to look a little bit better. But I think people are very standoffish, and that's why there's zero leverage liquidity. Let's refresh our liquidation heat map and go take another look. See if they're getting excited again. I think people might just be done trading until Christmas is over, because that's kind of how I feel. But, you know, I got to try to not think in my little echo chamber. Let's see. The chat. Zazawick said, SUI strong. SUI, it really is strong. It looks amazing. Greg said, Bitcoin dominance only down 4.62% in 30 days. Total crypto market cap up over 47% since November 5th. That's over $1 trillion moving into Bitcoin/crypto in 45 days. Wow. Tyler said, let's see Pinlink. Any Pinlink news? VeChain also a dip buyer, also dropped very fast. Mr. Liquidity said, how about Pepe? Let's go take a look at Pinlink and then Pepe. I'm going to do Pepe first because Pinlink is definitely on the list. Guys, if you're new here, please consider subscribing and smash the like button. I appreciate you guys for joining. We're planning on doing a 12-hour live stream. It does look like it's going to be December 26th as of right now. But I'm going to keep the poll up the whole time, just to see, I guess, what everyone decides. Personally, I like Monday, but if Monday doesn't work for you guys, I don't want to stream and not have people show up. You know what I mean? I want everyone to be able to be there. Pepe lost, what is this, 22.50? It's down at 17.27 right now. This oddly looks very similar to Near, actually. There's not any kind of... Actually, if you do get this continued bounce right there, you do have some pretty violent bullish div right here for Pepe, which is pretty sick. We did have bullish div in the past, and this one resulted in some pumpage. This one, however, see this little bounce right there? That was not a definitive enough bounce to solidify. Plus, this did not touch. So we were looking for this to touch. It didn't touch. This bounce, I guess it could have went a little bit deeper, and then we would have solidified that bullish div and potentially gotten a reaction. But the way that it stands right now, I don't think that that counts as bullish div. 7%. I don't think so. So I'm going to erase that. But you do get some pretty big long-term bullish div on Pepe at the moment. And I don't think that this triangle really was anything either. Yeah, you had... What is that? Is that bearish div? That is bearish div. Interesting. So you had bearish div, which kind of called for this big move to the downside. And now you have some longer-term bullish div, which is pretty cool. So Pepe actually looks really good. And then let's go check out Pinlink. Oh, what's this? Oh, who put that there? That's weird. I don't know why that's on the chart. Pinlink is down from the top, obviously. That's why it's called the top. Approximately. Oh my god. Holy shit. 46.5%. Whoa! What the fuck happened? How does that even make sense? Do I not know how charts work? Yeah, no, it was at 4. Whoa, that's crazy. What's nice is the volume is genuinely increasing over time. The parabola played out very nicely. We had bearish div, which we were expecting to pull down from the bearish div. Bearish div is pulling the price down. Now we're going to be looking for some bullish div over time. I mean, technically, once we get a reaction off of one of these levels, then I will gladly just call this bullish div. Because that's what it is. Now, in order for me to be comfortable saying that, I do want to see this actually go up and not just choppy sideways bullshit and breakdown. So, for now, pin link, chart looks good. Little healthy pullback. It did have a huge run up. The parabola played out. The bullish div, the small bullish div up here played out very nicely. We are in a descending channel on the RSI, which is nice because the price is going up while the RSI is descending, which means when it does finally pop, it'll have a lot more room to go. $211.4 million market cap, $3 million in liquidity. Let's go check the news. Why is there so many red flags? That's weird. People like red flag bombed it. They got 14.4 thousand followers on Twitter. Monthly updates progress. See, this is what sells it for me. They are just constantly telling everyone what they're doing, and I think it's great. Staking opened yesterday, and they've already accumulated $20 million of TVL, over 9% of the total supply. If you haven't staked your pin yet, do so now to get your share of rewards at pinlink.ai/stake. This is the final post. Be aware of impersonator links. Always ensure that you click on links shared by the official Pinlink account at PinlinkAI with the golden check mark. Yeah, guys, beware of scams and stuff. Just it's too easy to confirm things. Like double check. And sometimes I know you're in a hurry. You're like, no, I don't need to double check. I'm not stupid. And then you end up fucking yourself over. So it's just better safe than sorry. Paranoia in crypto specifically pays. They're getting listed on MXC, which is huge. $100,000 buyback, staking rewards program. Yep, I think we're pretty up to date. MXC is a big deal. I think that's really cool. That's very exciting. Yeah, they're just making fast progress. I've never seen a project move as like quick and efficient as Pinlink, and it's very cool to watch. Why so bearish said, can you look at ADA, please? Yes, I can. I am a self-proclaimed ADA maxi, so I can totally look at ADA for you. What we were watching, we had a descending channel, and we actually had, I think, last week, yeah, 10 days ago, a dip just like this last week, 10 days ago. We had our descending channel that we've been playing in, which is similar on a longer-term time frame, actually, to this one. And I was hoping to break above and continue to the upside like it did back here, but we didn't end up getting that. But we then had this inverse head and shoulders that played out over here, and the neckline, if you draw it and extend it all the way down here, it does actually correlate with this bounce. So we were hoping to get a bounce right here. So far, it does seem to be playing out that way. And, I mean, that's pretty much it. That's what I'm looking at, personally. If I wanted to draw some, like, support lines, I mean, we hit that perfectly. All this confluence right here. It was resistance, support, break to the upside. So that was the big one. That was the level to long, in my opinion. I got some news, guys. I got some news. Is Hops here? I have to make sure that Hops is here first, actually, because I think that he contested when I made this argument, and I just needed to prove that I was right again. I would like to say to Franco, you were fucking wrong, buddy. You were so fucking wrong. Tyler said, you see that top? That was me, LMAO. The only top I bought thus far. Hoff said Bitcoin just put in a Dragonfly Doji last hour. Let's go. Last hour. Like that hour long. This one? Dragonfly Doji on the hour long time frame. Okay. Yeah. Very nice. It looks like it's making a fugly inverse head and shoulders as well. You could even make this argument. Shoulder head is going to do another shoulder right here. All right, let's see. Greg said Bitcoin over the counter holds about 400K Bitcoin. Bitcoin exchange reserves hold about 2.8 million. Bitcoin at the current absorption rate, all available Bitcoin will be gone in less than 35 weeks. Let's effing go. Guys, 1 year is 52 weeks. So in just over half of a year, all the Bitcoin will be gone. Money said, hello, what's going on, Money? Hoff said, I am. Money said, I'm drunk. What's up, cookies? Where you at, Hoff boy? No, you did not miss the close. Not yet. We still got an hour and 37 minutes. Okay. Do we have confirmation?
Yeah, I have the list right here.
The Diddy list was published, guys. I repeat, the Diddy list was published. And I'm going to hash up some bullshit from the past. Chris Rock is on the Diddy list.
Sure is.
An individual that is not named on the list of Mr. P. Diddy Party is Will Smith. Will Smith is not on the Diddy list, and Chris Rock is. Let that sink in. Flexa said, what? Jake Feigen said, new to crypto, and my overall portfolio is down 10%. Bought the tops, max pain, 10%. My buddy is nothing. My portfolio at the moment, and I'm not new to crypto, I've been here since the last bull market, is down 50%. Ask me why. Money said, or I will forget and I will resent you. I will be sober by then. Hit me up on Discord, Hoffs, and remind me, please. What are you guys talking about? Money said, is that your woman in the background? I love her voice. That is my woman, and I love her voice as well. Zazawick said, the reversal took too long. It's setting up for more waterfall if it doesn't tap 100K. If it does tap 100K, let's see the 3816 fib retrace, and I think the waterfall stops and it'll tap value area low, which is 91.8. Why So Bearish said 10% is nothing. 10% actually, genuinely, if you're new to crypto and you're down 10%, you're actually in a really good position because this dip was brutal. If you're down 10%, then I'm going to assume that you bought Bitcoin because Bitcoin is down about 10%. If you bought alts, you're probably down a little bit more. 15 on ETH. Sol from the top is down 27%. ADA from the top is down 29%. SNEC from the top is down 37%. XRP from the top is down 22%. HBAR from the top is down 30%. Polkadot from the top, rest in peace Polkadot holders, is down 37%. SUI. You also could have bought SUI. From the top is down, drumroll please, a measly 8.3%. SUI is kicking ass. Let's see some bananas in the chat for SUI. Jake said, I actually have alts, believe it or not. Well, then you bought the right alts, my friend. Greg said, I've weathered 20 to 30% down swings during Bitcoin bull markets in the past 9 years. 10% is nothing. Greg, what are you talking about, 20 to 30? I'm talking like 50 to 60. Bitcoin is brutal in the bull markets. Flexa said, I saw Savvy was calling for a 1929 crash. What does that mean? Like he's looking for Bitcoin to go $1,929? Jeez. Or maybe 19K? 19K is a little more reasonable, at least. Money said, okay, see you later. I have to go. I have people over. Have fun. Take it easy, Money. Thank you for smashing the like button. Tell your friends to subscribe. Cheers. We're trying to get to 500 by the end of the year. We're pretty close. Tyler said, JJ, I'm calling it when Asian market wakes up. Bitcoin is going past 100K again. Let's fucking go. I like it. I like it, Tyler. Hoff said, sweet ADA XRP portfolio won't be down bad at all. 1929 the year. Money said, did you get my input for the daily close? I did not. What's your input for the daily close? Flexa said, now the market's crashing of 1929 the year. Okay. Money said they will. Flexa said, absolute lunatic. I like the idea that somebody looked at some data from 1929 and they went, this is going to happen in 2024. Like, what the fuck? Let's see. Who said that they were new? Yeah, Jake. Welcome, by the way. Welcome to crypto. I'd say you're in a actually really good spot if you're new to crypto. I think that's awesome. Genuinely. Wear it like a battle scar. 10% is fairly tame. So I'd say you're in a really good spot. Genuinely, you're doing great. Yeah, Bitcoin does seem to be trying to recover, which is nice. It's nice to see it try. Bitcoin dominance is continuing to go down. Hopefully it stays that way. Jerry's out still. Total 3 spiking up though. Very nice. Very nice indeed. Let's see. Jake said, thank you. Of course, man. Thank you. Thank you for your smashing like button. Flexa said, like, sub if you're looking. Support the homie. Tyler said, think about if you're Asian market and just sold your bags and went to sleep, market crash and wake up, green bag buybacks. Exactly. Hoff said, Flexa, you're right. Money said, huh? Who's looking? Well, let her in. What are you doing? She's fine. Okay. Okay. Yeah, Bitcoin dominance. I like this violent spike up. It's kind of like Bitcoin's lashing out. It's dying, and it's like no, 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 and it's eventually, alts are gonna overpower it, and it's gonna have to get put in the old folks' home. That's just the way that it is, Michael Saylor's reading off the little balls for bingo, and Bitcoin's just sitting in the chair like all drooling and shit, and old and dysfunctional, filthy rich. But it's time for alts, man. It is time for alts. Bitcoin needs to go take a nap. Go spend some time with Mr. Magic in the sleepy time home. Yeah. Jake said everyone pulled out of alts and went into Bitcoin past couple days due to volatility for sure. John said, damn, JJ's slandering old people. Flexa said Ethena is up 23% today. Nice. Jake said Rodin dominance went insane past couple of days. I'm not sure what Rodin is. Greg said when Bitcoin drops heavily, alts drain into either Bitcoin or stables. Flexa said looking strong. Alts. Let's actually go take a look at. Is there a stable dominance? I feel like there is. There is. Really? Interesting. 8%, 5%, 2%. Huh. So total is 17%, but it does seem to be down significantly. And unless I'm reading this wrong, which is very possible. Can they just not have a chart, though? Where's the stablecoin dominance chart? We got Glassnode. Oh, God. Sorry. Sorry, guys. Whew. Oh, my gosh. It's even harder to see. I don't know. Fuck this chart. This chart sucks. Let's just look at stablecoins. Tether's number 3. I don't think XRP's flipped Tether yet, has it? BNB, USDC, Tron, Avalanche, Chainlink, Toncoin, SUI. Ooh, SUI's actually, I think SUI's going to break into the top 10 very soon here. I like the Polkadot's at least staying relevant. This one confuses me. It's been around for forever. This Unis said Leo. I don't know anything about it. And I feel like it's been in the top for a long time as well. Let's see. Money said I post it in Discord for the daily close, so you know it's Friday. All right, I'll go check it out. I'm gonna have to let the people decide though, if they want to let you have your entry. Am I crazy? Maybe I'm blind. I could be blind. It's very possible. Money, money, money. Guys, for anyone that is new, the daily close contest starts 10 minutes prior to the daily close. Here we go. And it's on the Bitcoin Binance USDT chart. Let's see. Okay. Jake said Bitcoin dominance went insane. Jose said Bonk coin. We'll check out Bonk. Jake said needed Friday bad. Bonk hit Robinhood today. No way. That's sick. Jose said grabbed 1 million shares. Very nice. Flexa said yes, USDT dominance corresponds. If it goes up, people are selling. Down, they are buying, etc. Tyler said 15 to 20 easy. SUI. Money said in general. Yeah, I got it, Money. But again, it's going to be up to the people, which I mean, I have to hold a poll. The poll right now, it's tied for December 23rd and December 28th for the 12-hour stream. So we'll have to see. We'll have to see what people want. It's very close. We got 17 votes. There's 21 people watching now. Guys, if you're watching, go participate in the poll so that we can close it. We need to figure out what the people want. Money said you all are too sober for real. I feel too sober. All right. Guys, smash the like button. Vote in the poll. I appreciate you guys for joining. Bitcoin is currently chilling at 97,212. Let's go update our liquidation heat map and see if that has changed at all. Go to the 12-hour. Okay. We got 97,927. Yep, that's still the same. And below we got 95,370, 95,029. Yep and yup. And then 92,301. Yeah. I watched a really, really weird movie last night, but I kind of loved it. It was so strange. Okay, yeah. John said do a runoff poll December 23rd and December 28th. Okay, I think that's a good idea, yeah. $28th? Wait a minute. Okay, all right. Start poll. It's going to be between the 23rd and the 28th. 27% on all 3 of those days. All right, yeah, the 28th is a Saturday. All right, let's see. Janik said, "Oh wow, I can buy Bonk on Robinhood. Nice, LMAO. Yeah, let's go take a look at Bonk." John, yep. Jake said, "Heard someone saying there's a lot of liquidations at 88K. Let's actually go check that." This actually does not show anything at 88. We got 89,489. I'm not sure how to change that. Is that weird? Yeah, no, this for some reason doesn't go lower. Nope. That doesn't mean that they're wrong. That just means that this this chart doesn't go down to 88K. Here we go. If I just go to pair, looks like 88, 869, 10 million. That's kind of nothing though. The most liquidations at the moment are at 92 and 94 and 97, 97.9. Let's see the poll. Okay, we're looking at December 28th. Janik said 26th. Hoff said what movie? I believe it's called The Dead Don't Die. It has Bill Murray and Adam Driver, and it's on Netflix, and it's a good movie. Don't go into it expecting to fully understand it by the end of the movie, but it's not super, like, it's not too confusing like Inception. Flexa said, I watched a weird one too called Crazy on the Outside. Tim Allen, Ray Liotta. I love Ray Liotta. Rest in peace. Absolute legend. Money said, okay, see you later. James, one lucky dog, said, hey, but did we die? Glad to be here. It's 420 somewhere, or a 420 meme coin blowing higher. Happy 420, James. And I like the Hangover quote. But did you die? Love those movies. They're not on any streaming services. Every time I want to watch them, I gotta freaking like find them on some third party piracy website. You know, they're ridiculous. Bitcoin dominance is continuing to the downside. Bitcoin itself is trying to continue to the upside. ETH is starting to recover from that red candle. Sol is looking a lot better. Total 3 is looking great. Others dominance is looking good. ADA is starting to wake up a teeny tiny bit. SNEC is also starting to wake up a teeny tiny bit. XRP looks decent. HBAR looks decent. What else do we got? Where's SUI? There's SUI. Oh my gosh, SUI is up 12%. Somebody stop me. This thing looks amazing. Hoff said, baffles me that you don't get Inception. James said, Requiem for a Dream. OMG. Hoffs, it's not that I don't get it. It's that I have to watch it like 12 times. It's not a fun watch. I'm like sitting there the whole time and I'm like, I got to take notes. I'm like, okay. All right. Oh, and then this. Yes. Like, I like to be able to watch something, even if it can be super deep, without having to like force feed you complexion. I'm sitting there and I can enjoy a whole thing, and then afterwards I can have conversations about it for hours, and I can come up with theories for hours, and it's really good. Inception is the most like I don't know if it's Oscar bait, maybe. It's just the most forced layered Da Vinci Code-esque movie, whereas other ones are just well written. It is a fun box. What are you talking about? Thank you. See, John agrees with me. Hoff deleted his message because he said nonsense. Argument, how to collapse an argument in 3 seconds. That's awesome. Look at this. SUI is absolutely sending. Guys, let's do a quick checkup on our meme coin portfolio. Oops. Hawk got a little recovery today, 122%, which is literally nothing compared to where it was at. Like, it's recovered 6 days of dumpage, but it is still down like fucking 900%. Somehow people actually owe her money. It is down 96.3% from the top. Again, I don't think that she did anything illegal per se. I'm sure that they're probably gonna slap her on the wrist and give her some kind of fine or something for having to deal with a court case or whatever the fuck. But I think that her IP got taken advantage of, and snipers kind of took advantage of the project, and the people that were involved didn't necessarily know as much about blockchain as they let on, or at least about like tokenomics. And I think that she got screwed. And also, at the same time, I think me and Ian were talking about this. If you lost your life savings on that coin, it's not her fault. It's your dumbass fault for putting your life savings in a fucking meme coin. Don't blame other people for your stupid decisions. Hoff said, you and John are insane. Plexus said, LMAO, people owe her money. Dude, imagine getting rugged so bad you get a fucking bill in the mail. Tyler said, look at VeChain. That total pullback is massive. All right, let's go take a look at VeChain. VeChain. What do you mean total pullback? Let's see. From the top. Take it from the top. 40%. It was down 52%. Wow. Oh my God. Look at that. Ooh. Look at all those beautiful chart patterns that I laid out that perfectly called the moves. And even better yet, look at this beautiful fractal. What? JJ's a genius? Nobody told me. Look at that. It's recoupling to the fractal. The fractal has been recoupled. The fractal has been recoupled. Flexa said facts. Yeah, I don't know. I just think it was funny. One of my favorite stories so far in crypto, and it's fucked up. I'm not taking sides, but it's very much fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. The kid that rugged his coin for like 30K, and then he was like, thank you, and then he left. And then he made another coin called Sorry, and he rugged that one for like 15 grand. Like, who bought the second one? Fucking stop. It blows my mind. That kid, and you know, he got his karma. The internet doxed him and everything and whatever. But that kid will forever be the fucking Chad of all trolls on the internet. That shit was beautiful. In the most fucked up way possible. You know what I mean? Fucking blows my mind that people put money back into that second one. Yeah, VeChain looks good. Everything has the same pattern. This spike up, and then it looks more like a triangle, and then it dumps a little bit, and then this one looks more rectangular. Everything has that going on. And it's sometimes at like a different angle. But it's literally like the exact same liquidity going through everything. See, Bitcoin was a little more suppressed at the beginning. And its rectangles on a little bit of a curve. ETH was kind of similar to Bitcoin. And its rectangle was a little funky. Sol has just been kind of going down. ADA is very rectangular, going down as well. XRP. Like, if you click through all of these, they look identical. It's the same money. It's just like the puzzle pieces are shaped slightly different. And maybe that's because maybe we're at the beginning of the bull market. And it's all like institutional liquidity. See, Caspa's the first one that doesn't look like that at all. C has the same thing. SUI has the same thing. Polkadot has the same thing. Caspa's completely different. Avalanche and Chainlink are the best examples of this. This one's a little bit different too. It looks a little more like Bitcoin actually. But there's just the same money as going into all these coins. Let me see. Tyler said I might buy more just because of that fractal. Hoff said, well, it has sorry in the name, right? Tyler said, people like I trust him now. He must be a changed boy. He wanted to give back all 20,000 or how $30,000 that he just freaking stole from us. Could you imagine having 30K when you were fucking 13 years old? You know how many fucking Xboxes and Game Boys and shit you would buy? Fucking Nintendo 64 games and shit. That'd be so much fun. Just invite all your friends over. You have a LAN party. Everyone gets a freaking flat screen and a Xbox, and we all play Halo for a year. Unlimited supply of pizzas. That kid's gonna blow through that money so fucking fast. He's probably just gonna buy a bunch of V-Bucks on fucking Fortnite. Check out my new skin. Oh, that's cool, dude. Don't you have like 45,000 skins now? Yeah, but this one just came out. WF Capital said, yo, WF Capital, I don't gotta work tomorrow. So guess what we're doing? We're gonna play DayZ tonight. And we're gonna play so much DayZ. It's gonna be disgusting and irresponsible. People are gonna be grossed out by the length of my DayZ stream by the time we're done. Flexa said those were the days. I agree, man. I'll take a fucking LAN party over playing online any fucking day. I remember me and my buddy, my parents would go to work or whatever the fuck, or they'd go out for the weekend, and me and my buddy would move the couch to the front, like right the fucking front of the TV. And then we would scour the house for change. And we would order pizza with quarters. Pizza and Mountain Dew. And we would play Halo for hours. Zero said, yo, what's going on, Zero? Welcome. Tyler said there's 97K Hunter tonight. WF Capital said I don't work any day, so I'm down. Let's do it. I'm so stoked, dude. I'm a little peeved that we didn't get to it last night, but I was so effed up last night from them working on the van. I like woke up and I could not get out of bed this morning. Like my body hurt that bad. All right, let's see. Bitcoin dominance still, it's trying to come down. It's very indecisive right now as to whether or not it wants to dump. Guys, we got an hour and 11 minutes until the daily close contest kicks off. I'm going to go over it again for any new people. It's free to enter, and you have a chance to win money. We look at the Bitcoin Binance USDT chart, and we start taking submissions 10 minutes prior to the daily close, which is 6:50 EST. And then we stop taking submissions 5 minutes prior to the daily close. And we only take the first 10 submissions. You guys have to submit it in the chat. Sometimes YouTube doesn't let you submit it because it sounds or it looks like a phone number or a link, so you might have to not include the decimal. I can still interpret it. So just submit it in the chat, no problem. And closest without going over wins bragging rights. If you nail the first 5 or 6 digits, not including the change, you win $15. If you nail all 7 or 8 digits, depending on where Bitcoin's at, which does include the change, then you could either win $100 or a special prize, which will more than likely be merch. I gotta like put together like a sound clip that just explains that. Hoff said, it sounds like what you still do. What sounds like what I still do? I don't have LAN parties. I do scrounge for change for pizza though. So, if you guys want to help support my my pizza buying, you guys can donate to the channel. There's a bunch of crypto wallets and various other means of donating in the description down below. You guys can donate. We got Cashapp, PayPal, and Venmo down there as well. Let's see. CT said, don't know why everyone wants such high prices already. Like the public's not even in yet, so there's time for us to still dollar cost average. We want these prices to go down. Cashock said, not sure if government shutdown they are talking about will bring us another leg down. I'm not sure. I remember we had government shutdowns last bull market. I don't remember how it affected the price though. Creepy Sheepy said, my Pokemon portfolio surpassed my crypto by a mile right now. Damn, that's fucking awesome, Creepy Sheepy. Hell yeah. Hoff said CT because we've been doing it for 5 years. Flexa said plus. Cashock said the $38 AVAX has me thinking we see a $31 and a spike back to the 40s. Matt said 96448.4. Matt, we don't start taking it until 6:50 p.m. EST. You got another hour and 8 minutes, buddy. Tyler said 99K. Everyone's participating in things that's not even happening right now. Hoff said playing video games and getting junk food. Hoffs, if you're not doing that, then what is the point of living? Do stuff you enjoy. I happen to enjoy video games and junk food. I've also thought of that, and I was gonna have a pep talk with you guys, and I wanted to kind of say, life isn't about making money and becoming wealthy. You're doing that so that you can enjoy life more. So while you're trying to make money so that you can enjoy life more, make sure that you still enjoy life, because it could end at any moment. You don't want to die and get to heaven and God be like, "Did you enjoy it?" And you're like, "Well, all I really did was look at charts on the computer all day, so no, it kind of sucked actually." And God is like, "Well, you got more time now," or whatever, whatever you believe in. Maybe you die and you're reborn and you're like, "Shit, my former life sucked ass. I should probably spend my time better." So just make sure you do stuff that you love. And you could love trading crypto. But if you're stressing out and you're freaking out about it all the time, maybe just like stop and go for a walk. You know what I mean? Go fishing. Chung Hyun said, "I enjoy life, but I have no money." I have no money as well. And it's easy to enjoy life without money. You gotta find things that don't require money. JY, okay, let's see. JY said, "Hey JJ, can you look at BAD, please?" Yes, I can. Thank you for the contract address. That's another thing, guys. If you guys ever want me to look at a coin, if you share the contract address, it'll make the process a lot easier for me. Creepy Sheepy said, "Life is about spending money." I don't disagree with you, friend. Tyler said, "I was just showing how to do it." How to do what? Oh, yes. That's a good one. Nope, that's not what I meant to do. Guys, I made a meme coin and it almost bonded earlier. I was so excited. This stupid junk. It got to a $13,000 market cap. It's still at $6,000. This is my most... Oh no, where'd it go? This is my most successful meme coin so far. Too late to apologize. It's freaking funny. Like this thing went hard. They sent this thing. Crack me up. All right, here's bad. Bad idea AI. I mentioned looking at these levels if it broke them, and it held the green support line, which we had drawn, so I'm assuming that the price was already there when we first looked at it. And look at the beautiful confluence with these levels. Look at that. So it was resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, broke through, resistance here, retested, support, resistance, 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 support, and now it's support. That is beautiful. Guys, if anybody ever tells you TA doesn't work, tell them they're just too stupid to understand. I used to be one of those people, genuinely did not think TA worked. I thought it was all speculation and just nonsense. And I started streaming, and I started taking it seriously. And now I understand it. I genuinely understand it. It's like a scientific theory. It's not factual. You're making an educated guess. Can you guys hear my birds are freaking out? Cashapp said, "It's easy to get motivated with no money." Exactly. Creepy Sheepy said, "That's why George walks all day every day." Yeah, because he has money. Flexa said, "Couple of mornings ago, there was a seagull being loud as fuck outside." Give me 1 second, guys. Okay, I'm back. Let me see. I was reading the chat. Flexa said, "Couple of mornings ago, there was a seagull being loud as F outside. It was dark with it being winter, so I shined my high-powered laser at it, and it ended up flying onto the main road and getting smashed by a van." Jesus Christ, Flexa. That's fucked up. Tyler said, "That's actually what I want in life." Cash Oak said, "When you have money, your motivation could be greed." JWS Venture said, "I made most money without using TA." Hoff said, "Ada wants $1 again soon." Flexa said, "Testicle analysis." JWS Venture said, "Falling wedge trades helped a lot." Nice. Yeah, this looks amazing. You got this support level right here is like historic. So it should have no problem holding this. I'm hoping. And it all depends on the market, the state of the market. But this thing seems to have held up very well with how shit everything else has been performing. So congratulations. It also does coincide with the concept that ETH coins just do better, which I'm not afraid to admit. But yeah, this looks great. Next levels you're looking for, 3427, 4450, and those aren't 1000% like to a T. Those are just areas with confluence in the past. Right here you got kind of like some support right here, resistance all right here, support right here, kind of a general resistance right here and right here, right here-ish, resistance here. So yeah. Yep. Just kind of looking at past chart data. Honestly, if I was in this, it does kind of look like the triangle is getting smaller every time. So just be careful. Like, I don't know if it's going to bust and make a bigger one. That would be great. That's also a possibility. But that seems like the market cap would also be kind of crazy. The AI coins are a bit of an anomaly right now. Some of them are doing really well. Some of them, because there was way too many, some of them are just dying and disappearing into the void. Let's see. Offset flex a bird killer confirmed. At least it was just a seagull. I'm all for animal rights and activism and stuff, but you know, there's certain animals where the population is just insanely large. So Tyler said, I want to be on my deathbed and be like, nice, Pinlink hit 200. Flexa said, yo, at least I don't eat them, mate. Tyler said, then sell it all, LMAO. Flexa said, haha, the imports be eating them. JOS Adventure said, thanks, JJ. Of course, man. I might buy more now. Okay. Jake said, damn, bro, you really doing 12-hour stream? Not today, not today. I've done one before. It was actually a lot of fun. Today's probably going to be like, I don't know, how long have we been going right now? Over an hour? It's probably going to be 2-3 hour stream today. Maybe 4. But yeah, we're doing a 12-hour stream for sure. It's looking like December 28th right now, but 52% is not that much. Let's see. JY's Adventure said, TA works, help you predict the future. The news doesn't matter. TA first, then news after. When the news does matter, that's how you know you're in a bull market. Bitboy is a pussy. Gave a bro fist. Say what you will about Bitboy, or say what you want about Bitboy. I will say, you got to give him credit for his participation in karate combat stuff, because he does go up there and he doesn't look healthy. So he should probably not do that. He's probably putting himself at risk for having a heart attack, but he still does it, and he has not had a heart attack yet, so you got to give him a little bit of credit. Cashapp said, do you leverage trade yourself? I do. I like low leverage, so I like 4x. If I'm really, like, if I get mad and I try to revenge trade, I might do like 8. The highest I go is 16. I used to trade like 20, 30x. During the bear market, that's when I break out the high leverage because the moves are like 0.5%. JY's Adventure said, AI also has a similar chart. All right, I'll take a look at that, yeah. Jake said December 28th might be more lit. Volume may be low leading up to Christmas. John said crackheads have no fear. So for the 12-hour stream, I don't know if it's going to be all crypto. The last one wasn't all crypto either. We like went into crypto a little bit, like in weird little stints, but we also browsed thisiswhyimbroke.com. We played some games. We read a bunch of Reddit stories. Honestly, we kind of blew through the 12-hour stream last time. So this time, there's a lot more structure to the channel. So I feel like it's going to be a breeze. The whole point of the 12-hour stream, though, is to try to get 500 subs by the end of the year. So if you guys could share the stream with your like-minded crypto friends, I would very much appreciate it. Hoffs said, these polls are going nowhere. Just do it one of the 4 days that you have time to do it. Flexa said, the memes lately are wild from his last fight. I haven't seen any from his last fight. I saw the fight, though. John said, I see 52% for December 28th. I see 50% for December 23rd and 28th now. It is now 50-50 again with 28 votes. You guys are out of control. Flexa said, just tagged you on one. All right, let me go check it. Flexa's he's got the news on the memes. Oh, shit. I have seen a couple of them from the inhaler, yeah. I don't know why they were trying to give him an inhaler. The dude literally could not breathe in. His breathing was like labored hard. I think my fiance watched the fight. Like, she caught a glance of it while I was watching it. And she's like, "Is that BitBoy?" And I was like, "Yeah." She's like, "What happened to him?" I was like, it was crazy. It was crazy. All right, let's see. Hoff said, "Wasn't there stuff you couldn't even get to last time?" Yeah, we didn't even go through the whole list. Cashock said, "I'm usually 10 to 15x myself." Yeah, 10 to 15 is not bad. The people that like come in and they share like their 200x trade, and everyone's like, "Oh, ooh." I always look at that and I'm like, you're trying to make back like 99% losses with a 200x trade, even though the 99% losses you're trying to make up for were because you were trading 200x. Hoff said, "Has he won all of his fights?" No, the last one was a draw with Ansem. Ansem can't fight for shit, but he's fucking like 20 feet tall. So Ben's like, it's goofy, man. It's goofy. All right, I was going to get to something. I was going to get to JY's coin. Sorry, JY. Taking my time. Taking my sweet ass time. Appreciate your patience. Let's get to it. This bad just reminds me of the Michael Jackson song. Great song, by the way. Any Inu on B&B? Is that right? No, it's got to be the one on ETH, right? I'm sure it's just bridged. I recognize this picture. It's a cool picture, too. This one, yeah, it does have a similar chart. It is very much holding that trend line, which is nice. Not quite bullish div yet. Potential for it? I don't know. But it is kind of squeezing right now. 2.8 million. Not a lot of volume. I will say that. There is not a lot of volume on this. The market cap is decent, though, for the lack of volume. People are buying and holding. Price levels to watch out for? I don't know. You got... No, not this. What is that even for? Right here, you got this W right here. And then you got... I don't know, maybe like this general vicinity. This support, this resistance. What else? See, there wasn't a lot of like action before. Maybe they right there. Yeah, that would just be what I would go with, honestly. Because you got a lot of confluence right here. Resistance, 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 support. Yeah, that'd be my guess. If you can solidify a break above this, it's probably going up there. Not financial advice. That's just a complete guess. There's not a lot of volume on this one, so it's I'm a little hesitant to judge, but that's what I see. Oh. All right. Let's go back to Bitcoin. Bitcoin's turning green. It really is. SNEX up 10%. Very nice. ADA's up 7%. Very nice. Total 3 is up 2%. Very nice. Sol is still down, but it's looking good. ETH also still down, looking good. Actually, it's up on the day. It's just down on the candle. Bitcoin doing its thing. Was this the bottom, guys? Was it the bottom? I don't know. Flexa said LMAO Ansom's reach was hilarious. It really was. He was getting better too. I think BitBoy's in trouble if he fights him one more time. Cashook said you know what, actually they judged that one as a draw, and I feel like Ansem won the last fight. Because BitBoy was like sleeping. Or maybe it was the other way around. I don't remember. I'd have to rewatch it, but it was definitely wasn't no fucking draw. I remember being upset by the end of it. I was like, this is stupid. Cashoak said, I've been having success with 70x. What? What are you talking about? That's crazy. Cashoak said, I feel like it helps teach entries better. Maybe. I can't do high leverage. I'll shit my pants. I already babysit my trades like a psycho anyways. JY's Adventure said it's on all chains. That's nice. What is this? Hoist in sauce? said, cheers, JJ, new sub. Keep up the good work. Can't hang out in the chat tonight, but I'll have a listen in one ear while doing family things. I appreciate you. Thank you very much. Welcome to the channel. Smash the like button and share the stream with your like-minded crypto friends. I appreciate you. And happy holidays as well. And enjoy family time, for sure. JY's Adventure said it's on Sol, BNB, ETH, AVAX, etc. That's actually sick. Except for Cardano, SUI, and C. That makes sense. Because those are new. Like, too new. Cardano just got, I think it's called Flowdesk or something like that. Like a market maker integration. And you know what happened? It wasn't the Cardano Foundation or IOHK that fucking implemented. It was literally the team at SNEC. The fucking Memecoin team implemented a market maker for Cardano natives. Like, you could argue that it's decentralized and whatever the fuck, but what the fuck is the point of IOHK or the ETH Foundation or Cardano Foundation, I'm sorry, whatever the fuck it's called. I don't even know what it's called anymore. They've gone through like fucking 3 different fucking entities. If they're not going to facilitate the listing of my fucking coins. Tyler said, oh, wait a second. Here we go. JY's Adventure said, thanks, JJ. I'll come back and we will see the Fractal Farquad be right when they break out. The Fractal Farquad is always right. I will say JY's Adventure has given me the most wins on my charts. So I gotta cheers to him for sure. Tyler said every time we went red, SUI was the first one to start pumping every time. Dude, I fucking love SUI. It's such a like nasty chart. Every single time, man. Every time everything goes down a little bit, SUI is like, It's fucking sick. Cashapp said, I feel like the daily wick to the 200 on a lot of coins. BitBoy gonna whoop ass in court, LOL. What's going on in court? Are you talking about with TJ? Dude, the whole TJ thing, like, that was crazy. Isn't there like $2 million missing? TJ, like, embezzled a bunch of money. JY's Adventure said, still holding BCat, and I added Smurfcat. Nice. Is that Hoist in sauce? Or is it Ho is in sauce? I want to say, I keep wanting to say, like, Ho issuance, and then Ho insurance. I think it's Hoist in sauce. I don't know. If you're still around, let me know how to say your name. I'm very curious. Oh, let's see. What do we got? Yeah, SUI. The violent upswings on SUI are so satisfying every single time. People are like, I'm going to sell my bags. Beep, 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 beep. And then SUI is just like, no. I'm going to sell my bags. Beep, 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 beep. No. It's badass. It's always nice to see a coin, a chart, just be strong as heck. The rest of the market's pretty iffy. SUI's definitely the golden child of this bull market, in my opinion. I think this thing's going crazy. Sol was doing really good. And I'm going to talk about it every single day because I think it's important. The fact that Sol has surpassed ETH as far as DeFi income blows my mind. Flexa said, Ho is in sauce. Come on, bro. Pretty sure Hoist Inos is a Jordanite too, right? I definitely recall that name. It says message retracted. Hoist in sauce. My first name is legitimately, it's not JJ. Some people in the chat actually know it. My first name is not JJ. JJ is my initials. My first name starts with a J, and it is 2 letters. And that's the way that it is on my ID. That's the way that it is on my birth certificate. My parents named me 2 letters. Hoist and Sauce said, yes, sir. So it's Hoist, or yes, sir, you're a Jordanite. Welcome. Welcome regardless. Said poll is deadlock. Yeah, the poll is wrecked. We're still at 28 votes, though. We got 18 people watching, guys. If you have not participated in the poll, please go ahead and do that. I might have to do a poll on my Twitter. Let's see. We got 48 minutes until the daily close contest kicks off. Bitcoin is currently chilling at 97,400. Total 3 is still making its recovery. It's taking its time. It's taking its time. The market is cautious, especially after the last this violent rip to the downside, because we ripped, we recovered, we ripped and recovered, we ripped and recovered. Is it going to rip again? It does look like it's slowing down. This does look like it's getting ready to do one of these. So it might do this, and then this, and then this. Rip and recover. Others' dominance fascinates me, because nothing explains to me what it is, because I know total 3 is everything minus Bitcoin and ETH in the top 125 coins. Is others the top 125 minus the top 10? Or is it just everything? Because if it was everything, I feel like it would be way higher than 10%. Considering how much money is in meme coins, I don't know if they really know how to measure that yet. WF Capital said John D. Correct? LOLOL. Hoisin Sauce said it's the damn sauce. Okay. I'm Googling it. I'm Googling it. Oh, okay. It's hoisin sauce. I didn't know that that was a thing. All I saw, I'm so sorry for doing this. All I saw was ho is in sauce. And I was like, why is the ho in sauce? What did she do? Did she put herself in sauce? Did somebody put her in sauce? Why is she a ho? There was too many questions. I like hoisin sauce. That makes more sense. Tyler said, you can put a space in your name on YouTube. That would help, I feel. Tyler said 100K by 9 p.m. EST. Really? I do want to point out, John said he guarantees that the price would be $110,000 by December 29th, or he would give us all $100 cash next day air. Not FedEx, because they don't know how to ship things for the holidays. It would definitely be like USPS or UPS or freaking Amazon. Literally anyone is more competent than FedEx. Let's see. Sol is like the only coin still in the red. It's a little bit sad. Snack is up 10%. ADA is up 7.3%. Total 3 still only up 2%. ETH is up 1.7%. Bitcoin itself is trying to do something. Let's go. Let's take a look and see what's Unicorn Pepe Dust. That's kind of funny. 2025. Magaverse. We got FOMO, of course. Another copycat. Ridiculous. Fuckers. UFD Snow, the King of the North. Ooh, I should probably buy this, shouldn't I? No, they ruined it. I'm the Lord Commander. Swarms. Pisscoin is great. I actually love Pisscoin. Oh, we got Trust the Process. What is going on? WF Capital, where you at, my guy? You're getting some pumpage. $34.9 million market cap. Very nice. Where are you at? John said, I said literally none of that shit. No, you did say that. Now he's backpedaling. Hoff said it might be higher. Flexa said we could easily be there, though. Back to 108. So much liquid now up there. Piss coin to go with fart coin. WF Capital said true sat. He made so much money that he's having a stroke. That's fucked up. I shouldn't joke about that. I'm getting shit on my beard.
Oh, what happened? Okay. All right. Quick recover. Man, this poll really is 50-50. We need one more deciding vote, guys. One more deciding vote in the poll. Are we doing December 23rd or December 28th? The point of the poll will be to try to gain subs. We're trying to get to 500 subscribers before the end of the year. We got exactly 11 days left. I think we can do it. We just got like 30 subscribers in the last 2 days. There's no reason we can't make 500 by the end of the year. Let's go take a look at Pisscoin really quick. Trust the Process is doing really good. We're excited for WF Capital. He's kicking ass. We got Max Bidding, Horny Degen, I imagine that's supposed to say. AIT, AI Trader Agent. Pengu, still kicking ass, $1.74 billion market coin. Squirt Coin, jeez. We got Fart Coin, Squirt Coin, Piss Coin, Grinch AI, Squid Game 2. That's funny. I liked it when the first Squid Game came out, because then when it rugged, everyone was like, damn, how did nobody know that like only one person was going to win? Because that's the whole point of Squid Game. I'm super stoked for the second season. I'm not sure when it's coming out, though. There's another FOMO? How many FOMOs do they have? Good boy, Me Gusta. Turbo? Base Turbo. Interesting. Zera, bro. This one bugs me. I don't know why. The name bugs me. Anything else? You know? Why you know, guy? That's actually great. 2.5 million. Created 9 hours ago. Wow. We got Fart Brothers. Iceland. Pedro, Monkey Puppet. Flocky. Polly. We got Cum Coin to go with Fart Coin, Squirt Coin, and Piss Coin. PP Coin. Oh, I was going to buy some major. Is it up? It really isn't, actually. There's a lot of volume, though. HOA, Hostage of AI. Trust the Process. There it is again. Interesting. Bitcoin still in the green. Let me go check the chat again really quick. Oh, we did. We got a flip. 29 votes. December 23rd. There it is. I'm ending the poll. The poll has ended. We got 51% for December 23rd, which I believe is this upcoming Monday. That is when we are going to do the 12-hour stream. What an exciting time. That's coming up. That's in 3 days. Okay, Janik said I voted for 28, but I changed my mind. 23 is better. John said rigged poll. Flexa said, Mommy, I want some Bitcoin. Shut up, Flexa. Go eat your food. We're a fart coin household. What did I tell you about that coin? I don't want to hear that coin in my house. Piss coin. Oh, shit, they spilled it. That's great. That's so good. I mean, you gotta love the creativity, man. If there's anything good that came out of meme coins, it's the creativity. The meme coins have created more memes than I think anything else. It's a beautiful thing. It really is. Look at how nicely the market recovers when everyone's comfortable. Just for them to rip it all away in a couple hours anyways. Dude, if it goes down one more time, you know how mad everyone's going to be? They're going to quit. There's going to be a whole new slew of r/buttcoin maxis. Moderators. Flexa said probably a TikTok rugger person behind that. Probably. Dude, TikTok doesn't like crypto. And it's really funny to me because there's like crypto people on TikTok. So I'm like, how do they exist? Like, does TikTok just push crypto? Even though it's not liked? Or maybe it gets interactions because people are like, shut the F up, scammer. You know? I mean, it's kind of brilliant, to be honest. Any press is good press. See, what's crazy about this is when you like figure it all out, being up 8% after being down 42%, that's not that big of a deal. You just saying. If you would have bought the bottom, that's 24%. That's pretty significant. Which is why we DCA, guys. Especially on Fridays. Let's see, Bitcoin. I mean, this is just the way that Bitcoin moves, but 14% on Bitcoin is actually quite significant. Especially considering where it's at right now. That's why it's kind of crazy to me. People are calling for like 30 to 40% pullbacks, which we could still get, but you got to kind of look at the concept of the market cap being so much higher now. That's almost an unreasonable amount of money to be exiting the market. And maybe I'm just wrong. I could be completely wrong, but 15% seems totally reasonable to me. Even 20. 30 to 40 though. And again, maybe I'm just some jackass that doesn't want it to go down that low, but 75 to 63K Bitcoin seems crazy after breaking 100 grand. Flexa said exactly. Any eyes is good eyes because there's always a sucker. Hoff said Bonk doing well, especially with that Robinhood listing. That's what I was supposed to look at Bonk. Bonk is doing really well. Nice recovery from Bonk. Current candles up 13.9%. I was still in so much physical pain from yesterday. 35% from the bottom. Very nice. Let's see. Flexa said 108K to 92K is a lot of money. How much percent of the market cap is that? I think it would be the same percent as the price. Let's go 108K to 92K. $14. So how do I, is there a market cap option? Is this it? Okay, yeah. That is 10%, 9 to 10%. Down to 92K would be 14. So yeah, it'd be the same percentage. So the percentage is the same. The dollar amount though, from 2.14 to 1.82. So it dropped, what is that, 320 billion? $320 billion. Wow. That is a lot of fucking money. $320, what did I say? I don't remember what I said. Some like 300 some billion dollars. Crazy. Crazy amount of money removed. Let's see. Okay, I guess I can go back to my regular chart. Man, they're so stingy over at TradingView. I can't have two windows open. They're like, whoa. You're not paying for premium. We need $375 from you per year if you want to look at two charts at the same time. What are you, fucking poor? I am genuinely, I'm excited for somebody to come out with something similar to TradingView, but better. I think that's the biggest problem is every other one sucks ass. TradingView has like beautifully nailed the ease of access here. There's nothing else to it. It's all about the user interface. And the user interface here is beautiful. Yeah, I'm bummed out that bullish div is gone. We lost $1 trillion on total 3. What? Damn. Okay, that's going to be some resistance right there. I didn't even realize that happened. Oh, wow. He perfectly nailed that. Flexa said, so the bottom is probably in. It could be. That'd be nice. That would be nice, genuinely. We got our liquidation coming up real quick here. Let me go update our liquidation heat map. Refresh really quick. Go to symbol. Go to 12 hour. And I guess I can zoom in more. That's actually really nice. So we got 97, 927, which I think is still there. Yep. And right above that, 98, 182. Okay. And then above that, actually it's just cascading upwards from that. 98, 353. This will be the last one. Okay. And then below, I think, is all still the same. We got 96, 478, 96, 222, 92, 301. Yep. Okay, so I got to reset these two, or closer now. 96, 478, 96, 222. Okay. It's getting tight, getting very tight. You know what? You know what indicator I really like that I don't see people talk about enough? Bollinger Bands. Yep. We got a little squeeze up here. Pop to the downside. It's like a pimple. Squeeze, pop to the downside. Squeeze, pop to the upside. Squeeze, pop to the downside. It looks like a colon. Look at that. Beautiful. Ooh. Got real tight right there. Yeah, we haven't had a violent swing to the downside like this for a long time. It's been very, very timid. Very much so. Maybe back here in March. That actually makes sense, because March was when we were breaking the previous all-time high. So are we going to go sideways for 6 months? Let's see if there's Bollinger Bands on dominance. Yeah, dominance squeezed and popped to the upside. Total 3. Squeeze and pop to the downside. That was very choppy right there, too. Interesting. Very interesting. Huh. It's nice to see volatility return to the market. It's been a long, long time. Like, I remember trading during the bear market. It was so freaking boring. Like I told you guys, I had to put it on like 30x, and like 0.5% move was like a good move. That's like a great day. The market moved 0.5%. I was like, whoa, because then I could make a 15% trade. Crazy. Let's see. Flexa said, I'm having $320 billion. Imagine having $320 billion, even if it's a team of you huddled in a room like an Indian call center, colluding to move markets and assets. Would I be naive to think that doesn't happen? They'd call hat a conspiracy theory, right? Hoff said, isn't there an old video out there, a group like from China doing it? Probably, for sure. I mean, if you had enough money to manipulate the markets, that's the quickest way to make more money. Hoff said 100%. Cashapp said LOL. Flexa said my T key is making me look like I can't spell or type. Sorry for any typos. Cashapp said have to take 200 every time you're up 200 in the bear market, right? Dude, it would be fun. It was fun. It was fun trading in the bear market. It was easy. Took me a little bit of time to readjust to bull market price action, which is why I quit trading for like a couple of weeks there. But I feel like I got it down again. it's the same moves happening. They're just happening faster and a larger percentage. So I just had to deleverage a little bit. Guys, we got the daily close contest coming up in 28 minutes. Flexa said, isn't that what hedge funds do? Probably. Oh, we're at 412 subscribers. Very cool. Can we get to 420 today? That would be sick. 420 subscribers. We'll do 420 and then we'll have to do like a 69-minute stream. That'd be kind of fun. Let's see if Tua Late, unfortunately, I think, has officially died. Very sad. All these people PvP'd each other. Fuckers. It was fun, though. It was fun. It was fun to watch this thing kind of blast off. Bitcoin dominance. One thing that I think I would like to experience at least once in my life is seeing a coin that I created at least bond. I think making the bonding curve would be awesome. But if something I created hit like $1 million market cap, I think I would crap myself. Even $100,000 market cap. The fact that this thing's at 3K right now kind of blows my mind. It was at, or I'm sorry, 7K. It was at like 13 or 14. And I was freaking out. I was like, oh my God, I did it. It was crazy. Crazy times. MM said, should I pull out my money, remain in the market, subscribe? Appreciate you, MM. It's up to you. The biggest thing is knowing your risk tolerance. If you feel like you need to take your money out, then you might have too much invested. Like if you need that money to get by, then you may have overexposed yourself. I can't tell you what you can and can't do with your money specifically because it's your money. You know, I don't know your financial situation. With my money, I have to make sure, you know, that whatever I have in the market is money that if it does disappear, I'm okay with it. Like I'm not gonna lose my house or my car or my family. You know, we're not gonna go hungry if the entire market, if the internet just ceased to exist tomorrow, I would still be able to purchase groceries and pay my rent. You know what I mean? That's the biggest thing. Personally, we could see some more pullback. We might not. It's totally up to the market. Flexa said, it's as easy as Horse Guy AI, except be legit. Haha. Yeah, dude. That whole situation was so wrecked. Like, there was so much potential there, and it was going, man. It was going so hard. And then one person had a fit. Hoff said Horse Guy AI had a brief movement of having, I forgot what it was. Flexa said, most memes are moving based on names now. If something in real world happens, you got to have code ready to go and a name, I guess. That's exactly what's happening. MM said, no, I don't need the money, but I just want to know based on market sentiment, is it going down or up? Right now, it seems to be turning green. Bitcoin dominance is a little bit indecisive. It does seem to be rejecting at the 50 daily moving average, which is great for altcoins. We need to make sure that that solidifies. Regardless, we are heading into Christmas times, and if people are at a loss, they might sell to wash trade for tax time, which is tax harvesting. You can claim a loss and you'll get a tax break. So I think the problem with that concept is the market is up right now from the lows. So I think anybody, there's not a lot of people that are in the negative in order to kind of justify the concept of wash trading. So you're kind of just looking at Bitcoin dominance, market sentiment, total 3. There is a new crypto administration entering the market. If you're trying to trade the entire market with your portfolio, I feel like a lot of people end up getting screwed when they try to do that. So you gotta be careful when you're trying to do that. Tyler said talk louder. Tyler, I'm talking loud. I'm talking very loud. My mic is in my mouth. Volume booster add-on. Is that a thing? Hoff said that's the thing, most people are up. Dude, the wash traders are probably pissed. Could you imagine? You're like all looking forward. You're like, I'm going to get a tax break. And then you look at your portfolio and you're up like 600%. And they're like, damn it, son of a bitch. Who pumped the market? I wonder if that's a thing. People get mad that their portfolio's not like in the red. Guys, we got the daily close contest coming up in 22 minutes. Get your guesses ready. Anybody that is new at the daily close contest, we look at the Bitcoin Binance USDT chart. We only take the first 10 submissions. You guys guess what you think the daily close is going to be on Bitcoin Binance USDT. And we start taking guesses 10 minutes prior to the daily close. We stop taking guesses 5 minutes prior to the daily close. And we only take the first 10 people. Closest without going over wins bragging rights. If you nail like the cash part, then you win $15. If you nail the whole thing, which is cash including the change, then you could win either $100 or a special prize, which will more than likely be merch. But yeah, total 3 is looking great. Bitcoin's looking good. Nice recovery. Total 3 or market cap Bitcoin dominance is hopefully going down. If not, though, my fractal is calling for continued upside for Bitcoin dominance, but this big wick on the daily and this giant red engulfing candle would beg to differ. The daily close might dictate that as well. I can't really tell you if we're going to recover today because I don't know. It's going to depend on what the next day or two look like for Bitcoin specifically. What is this? Dogecoin dives 29 million, disappears during market collapse. Like 29 million liquidated, or somebody actually like stole $29 million, because that's crazy. That's a lot of money. Oh, let's see. Hoff said that's the thing, most people are up. A dump at the end of the year after this just doesn't make sense. This doesn't make sense to me, but it happened. Cashapp said LOL. Flexa said for listeners, yeah, I have a browser booster to make quieter streamers louder if needed. Tyler said put it in your throat. Flexa said LOL. Werewolf Cat said I'm going 2 for 2 today. You can do it. I believe in you, Werewolf Cat. Guys, have you shared the stream yet? Have you shared the stream yet? Flexa said I'm watching where the monthly is going to close. What's the monthly? Ooh, yeah, that's going to be a big one. That is going to be a big one to watch. Interesting. What does the weekly look like? Okay. Big red. That's not good. Yeah. See, when we get a red like that, it doesn't stop there. It could do this, but still, this sucks too. Another week of that bullcrap. That might actually set alts off, which would be nice. All right, let's do a quick little self-promotion. We got 16 people watching, 413 subscribers. Guys, I think we can hit 420 subscribers. Do you think we can do it? I think we can do it. Actually set alts off. Guys, if you check out in the description, you guys can donate to the channel to help support me. I would probably use the money to purchase a better CPU for my computer. You can donate crypto or you can donate just cash, whichever you please. Any support is appreciated. You guys can also support the channel by signing up to our affiliate links with Coinbase for a nice on-ramp, off-ramp, or BitUnix and OurBit. If you guys want to trade leverage, if you do want to trade leverage, I'm going to advise that you guys exercise caution. Treat it like gambling. It's not a long-term investment tool. It's essentially a game. So don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Otherwise, you guys can just follow me on Twitter. Join our Discord. The Discord kind of gave birth to me as a streamer, not the other way around. So it is just a community of like-minded crypto folks. It's one big crypto family. You could join my Telegram specifically. This is my Telegram for my channel. It's in its infancy, so there's not a lot of people there. But Dave does share some pretty good alpha every once in a blue moon. And it's almost always like a good, lucrative entry point on a project. And then last but not least, check out the merch link This also helps support the channel. We got some sick merch. John swears by it, and he has won the contest more than anybody. So, I don't know. If you buy the merch and you wear it, you might start winning all the time. That just might be the effect of the merch. I can't confirm or deny. But yeah, the biggest thing you guys can do is share the stream, smash the like button, and get other people to subscribe. That helps me out a lot. Bitcoin is at 97,632. God, it's so weird that it's not at 100 anymore. It messed up my whole speech about the contest too. I can't say 6 digits anymore. I have to say 5. Ridiculous. What happened? Flexa said, shared. New people can ask questions too. Guys, don't be shy. Yeah, guys, feel free to spam the chat with coins and everything. I'm not, I'm not picky. I think it's weird when people are like, I'm not going to look at that. Is that a meme coin on Deck Screener? No, thank you. Like, what the fuck? And it's really funny because their utility coins that have like real value are trash. So, oh well. I don't like it when people are condescending, especially to their audience. It's just silly to me. Oh, let's see. We should look at some legacy coins. Let's do CoinMarketCap historical snapshot and see what was big last bull market. When was the peak of the bull market? I gotta always keep looking at this. I think it was definitely 2021. I know that for sure. I'm going to go, I guess when was the peak for alts? Total 3. Yeah, right here. November 2021. That's what I'll do. October, November 2021. October, November. Let's do October 31st. Bitcoin was at 61K. We got Bitcoin, ETH, Binance, Tether, Cardano, Sol, XRP. Polkadot was number 8. Shiba Inu, Dogecoin. Whoa, SHIB flipped Doge at one point? What? That's crazy. I had no idea. That's insane. Look at this. 7-day SHIB was 87% and it flipped Doge. That probably felt amazing. Oof, Terra Luna. Uniswap, really? 15.6. Where are they at right now? Okay, so there's a potential 2x out of Uniswap just to hit its former all-time high. Total supply. See, that's the problem. The total supply and fully diluted value. This is what it would be if they had the full supply circulating. So they probably print coins, which sucks. And by print, I guess I mean release on the open market so that they can sell it, which inflates the supply. Let's see. Flexa said, is hat your business, nerd voice? Is that your business? Is that your what? Why can't I read? Is that your basement nerd voice? I don't know. Huff said, what the F? Tyler said, JJ, gotta go. Work. If Bitcoin hits 100K by 9 p.m., I want my name up. Okay, I will give you credit by 9 p.m. Okay. You gotta remind me tomorrow then, because I might not be streaming. I'll probably be doing DayZ by 9 p.m. Hoff said, Whiff. Let's go check out Whiff. Hoff said, is that your basement nerd voice? Did I do a voice? I don't remember. So we're getting back to the short-term memory that Hoff keeps referencing. I remember that. Whiff. Ooh. Ouch. Whiff got wafted. Damn. Oh my gosh, 56%. Maybe this is my entire portfolio is in Whiff. Yeah, guys, if your portfolio is down, don't feel bad. My portfolio got absolutely bitch slapped. decimated today. Totally wrecked. I don't think I've been down this bad since like last rug from the frickin' bull market down to the bear. I got destroyed on this move. Which it's nice to see a recovery, but I want to see it like fully recover. Otherwise, I'm going to be in my melancholy, pessimistic JJ mood. Look at Avalanche. Avalanche was all sexy up at $64. Where's it at right now? Currently sitting at $39. Okay, so we're looking at another potential 50% out of Avalanche to hit previous all-time highs. Chainlink, $30. I think Chainlink is actually pretty close. 23? Yeah. That's also another 50%. Litecoin was at 191. Where is Litecoin? We actually have not looked at Litecoin, I don't think. Litecoin was my first love. I was a Litecoin maxi before anything else. I had a bunch of Litecoin on PayPal. This is pretty funny. Offset, I'm asking you to look at with. Yeah, I figured that out. I looked at it. Flexa said, yeah, you did a voice about look at my coin. Oh, shoot, I don't remember. Said I got some sushi at 50 cents instead of, oh, I thought you meant you bought sushi for 50 cents. Like the food, I was like, I wouldn't fucking eat that, man. I was so concerned for a second. Boo Boo Ree said, you got any advice on how to start? Okay. How to start in crypto. Your biggest thing is diversity. Don't over diversify yourself. You want to make sure that you're investing into different genres of crypto. And I would definitely start with blue chips and work your way down to like the more degenerate, like top 100, top 200, lower market cap coins. Definitely learn what a market cap is. Learn how to calculate it based on the supply and the price of the coin. And learn what distribution is of coins, how much the team holds, learn how to look at unlock schedules. The biggest thing, though, is to the market cap. The market cap is the biggest thing because people are going to come out and they're going to tell you XRP could hit $10,000 a coin. And if you have 10 of them, then that's $100,000 or whatever. $10,000 for XRP it's not impossible. It's just like 99% unlikely. They would have to burn a gigantic quantity of the supply in order for the price to get that high. Because there's not enough money in the world for XRP to have a market cap high enough for the price to be $10,000. That's just unreasonable. It's ridiculous. So learn what a market cap is. Diversify. Self-custody, I would say, is relatively important unless you're going to stick with Coinbase. Coinbase is probably the safest exchange in my opinion, but it is still a centralized exchange. FTX was a safe play as well. They were the largest exchange in the world, and look how that turned out. Sam Bankman-Fried stole everyone's money. He gave it to his creepy girlfriend, and now he's in prison. And everybody that had money there is still completely without their money. Their money is still being held. So you got to put your money somewhere safe and learn what a market cap is. From there, then you can figure out what you want to buy. That was the most complex explanation. I'm sorry. But that's basically the gist of it. Learn what a market cap is, diversify, and keep your coins safe. The rest is up to you. Welcome, though. Welcome. Flexa said, I got some sushi at 50 cents instead of going for Uniswap. If ETH gets love, ERC token's going to fly, right? Buy low, sell high. Don't invest what you can't afford to lose. Exactly. You have to genuinely look at it like, if this money disappeared tomorrow, would I be without? Would I go without? Let's see. Litecoin. How far is Litecoin up, actually? From the local bottom, it's up 56%. You know, I feel like Litecoin gets a lot of flack, but if we're being completely honest, it's probably the least volatile investment in crypto. which sometimes is nice. It does have a pretty decent uptrend too from 2018. Like this would be a beautiful buy down here. Even right now. Because it kind of looks like, what is it doing? This, it's doing this little pop. Unless it's doing this right now. Maybe this is what this was. And right now it's doing the... That's possible. I feel like that's incredibly possible. Also, Litecoin is one of those legacy coins like Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin. It's been around for a very, very long time. One of the first altcoins. I feel like it's probably going to get an ETF. It's probably safe to say we can expect an ETF for Bitcoin, obviously, Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash, because PayPal listed them, and PayPal isn't going to list something that they're going to get in trouble for, which means the powers that be are probably going to be a little more inclined to approve an ETF for a coin that's been around for a long time. What is this? Still on the daily, 4 hour. There we go. Okay, Bitcoin is still in the green. Bitcoin dominance. Trying to figure out if it wants to change its mind or not. Let me go check the chat again. Boo Boo Re said, I appreciate it, man. Only thing I know about market cap is that if Bitcoin goes up, all the Bitcoin coins go up. Something like that, vice versa. Flexa said, if market cap doubles, price doubles. Exactly. So watch market cap, not price. Keeps the math in reality. Boo Boo Re said, yeah, but I know there's also blockchain and stuff. I don't know about that. That stuff's 50-50. People invest in meme coins and know nothing about blockchain, and they make millions of dollars. A lot of it has to do with marketing, market sentiment, public opinion, all that stuff. There's a psychology that goes into it. Once we get into the bull market, the blockchain aspect of it isn't as important as the news cycle. Flexa said, JJ, pull up sushi and look at the potential. Run back up if DeFi explodes. Franco said, it's shit, so I bought it. That's probably a good play. Hoff said, you must be exaggerating your portfolio being down that much, or you just don't have Bitcoin. Cash Oak said, Bitcoin Cash, my bacon and cheese, LOL. Pizza 11 said, I'm all in on Ando. Flexa said, yo, pizza. Let's check out Bitcoin Cash and Ando. And then Flexa said to pull up sushi. Sushi is B&B, is it not? Oh no, it's not. It's is it everything? Is sushi multi-chain? Whoa. Sick. Okay. Sushi is $1.57 right now. Franco said this is shit. Dude, are you kidding me? This thing went up freaking 400%. Oh my gosh. Yeah, Franco doesn't understand. He thinks everything that is like from the last bull market is just going to disappear. And I'm not sure why. Because he owned them. He bought them and owned them during this period, and then he got mad and sold, and then it went up. You can't have an emotional reaction to a coin, or at least be self-aware. Like I'm fully aware that my hate for, I don't even know what coins I hate anymore. My hate for Avalanche from last bull market was immature and strictly emotional based. But it is what it is. Sushi to all-time high. See, here's the thing, though. We got to look at how it could get there. You're looking at 1,200%, is that? 1,100, 1,200%. That's huge. Now, let's see if it could get there. Historical snapshot. Actually, let me go back here. This is on the weekly, so I'm going to try to find right here, March 8th, 2021. So we want to go to March 8th, 2021. There's March 7th. Sushi is Where's sushi? Number 40. The circulating supply was 127.2 million, and the current circulating supply is 250 million. So let me do 250 divided by, what did I say? The original one was 127,244. So you need it to have twice the market cap that it had back then. So it could actually, what is that, 2 billion, 2.2 billion? It needs a $4.4 billion market cap in order for it to reach this price. Otherwise, it could reach the halfway point, which would still be 600% from where it's currently at. So if it just got its all-time high market cap, then you'd be looking at 600% price gain, about $12 or $13. If it doubled the market cap, because they doubled their supply, then you would reach that 1,200% gain, up to $22. Now, if they burn their supply, which I do believe sushi partakes in, that could change. But right now, with the circulating supply being twice as much as what it was when it hit its all-time high last time, you would need twice the market cap in order for it to hit that price. All right, guys, we got 1 minute until our daily close contest. That actually went by really, really fast. I was not expecting that to go up so quick. I'm not ready. All right, let me see. Cashapp said Litecoin holding $100 has me feeling like it's going to run while things are quiet. Boo Boo said, what do you think about stocks? Is it true that it's less volatile? So basically safer? I would say so. Absolutely. More Money said NCT Polyswarm, top pick for 2025 Bull Run 50X. Remind me about that in like 20 minutes. Flexa said, I don't care about all-time high. Maybe a 10x out of it. 10x easy. Boo Boo Ree said, would you happen to know about grass? I do know about grass. I don't know too much. But I remember watching it blow up. And we looked into it. I think it's a payment coin, though. I think they use it for payments, so there's also potential downside. Cashapp said they doubled it, watered down that beer. That's actually not bad, though, compared to what we've seen in other coins, especially considering their market cap was only 2.2 billion in the past. Boo Boo Ree said, grass is a coin my friend told me to mine. Yeah, see, the mining aspect is why it's so the supply is going to be continually increasing, so it's going to require more money for the price to go up. But they have a lot of hype right now, and their marketing is very well done, and people like the idea of mining because they make money off of it. So I think it's a good play. Guys, the daily close contest has officially begun. Get your guesses in. We got 5 minutes to go and 10 slots available. Let me know what you think the Bitcoin close price is going to be for today on the Bitcoin Binance USDT chart. Yeah, I like I think grass is a cool kind of twist on mining. It's data sharing, isn't it? Like sharing your internet connection. I guess let me know if I'm wrong. We got 17 people watching. What are we at for likes? I know we hit our like goal already. We usually do a 10 like goal per stream. We're at 14 right now. Can we make it 20? I feel like we could. Boo Boo Ree said my friend won about $500 for simply mining it, and not gonna lie, I would like taking an easy 500, right? Yeah, sharing. I like the fact that you just share your internet connection to mine it. That's actually sick. Three minutes remaining. Giovanni Fontes says, got you. Pizza said, Ondo equals condo guy. Hop on before it goes to the moon.
Definitely not shilling. There we go. Giovanni got one guess. Is he going to be the sole winner? The sole guesser? Guys, the daily close contest. We take the first 10 guesses within 5 minutes. Starting 10 minutes from the daily close. Boo Boo said, I just followed your channel, by the way. Keep up the streams. Thank you for answering my questions. Of course, welcome. Welcome to the channel. Appreciate you for stopping by, and I appreciate the sub. Thank you so much. Welcome to crypto as well. I feel like you picked a good time to join. Flexa, yeah, Flexa, yours didn't show up. There we go. Got it, got it. Oh, we got pizza. Boo Boo Ree said, would you happen to know any YouTube channels that's legit and about crypto? I would go for Frankie Candles and Tyler S. Frankie Candles, I've only watched a handful of times, but he gives amazing advice. And Tyler S is just a funny, you know, it's great updates every single day. And I don't know, I enjoy his insight. I really do. All right, let's see. Let's sort these out. Oh, I missed somebody's name there. Whose name did I miss? Right after John. Right after John. Was it Hoffs? No, it was Cashapp. It was Cashapp. Okay, I got you. I got you. Whoops. Cashapp said Frankie Candles, Crypto Lifer are the two level-headed assassins. I actually enjoy Lifer as well. Although I do find it funny when he talks about like how humble he is, even though he's like, and how he's like middle class now with a freaking $17,000 Rolex on his arm. But yeah, I like Lifer. I like Lifer. All right, let's get these organized. Flexa, I don't know if you were around. Hoffs lost the contest. Like he was super close to getting the $100 prize. He literally was over by 1 penny. 1 penny. And it is closest, it's Price is Right rules, closest without going over. He was over by 1 freaking penny. How crazy is that? All right, let's see. 98.6, 97.4, 96.7, 97.475. Oops. Okay, copy. 97.850. 97.851. Oof. Pizza coming in to fuck over Flexa. That's funny. All right, let's see. More Money said NCT Polyswarm top pick for 2025 Bull Run 50X. Let me know after the daily close contest. Flexa said I have to be dead on almost, right? Dang, Hoff's got the algo locked down. Byron said 67. I don't know what that means. All right. Guys, we got 3 minutes remaining. Bitcoin's currently trading at 97,773 and 83 cents. We got 98.6, 97.850, 97.850.47. Okay, 851, 850.47, 97,475, 97,468, 96,750. We got 19 people watching, guys. Don't forget to smash the like button. I appreciate you guys for being here. We're looking for 20 likes for this stream. We're also trying to get to 500 subs before the end of the year. So if you guys could share the stream with your like-minded crypto friends, I would very much appreciate it. We're also trying to hit 420 subs before the end of the day. Hoff said I'm actually known for that more than actually winning. Here we go. We got 2 minutes left. 2 more candles. Only one will win. I got to make a Hoff's Lost by a Penny merch. Hoff's, do you want a t-shirt or a hat or sweatpants? Or like a bag or something. I could do a bag maybe. That'd be cool if I could do a wallet. A little change purse. Every purchase comes with a penny. Oh, here it goes. 97. 795. We got 2 more minutes still. Just under 2 minutes. There it is. 1 minute remaining. 1 minute, 1 candle. 97.795 and 71 cents. At the current moment, if the price closed at, or if Bitcoin closed the day at this price, who would win? 795, 97, 795. It would be Hoff's. It's going to be a close one. It's going to be, so far, it's right now it's between Hoff's and Flexa. And technically Pizza, because Pizza's up Flexa's ass with that price. 97, 799, 99. Here we go. 97.8. Is it going to get a violent spike up or a violent spike down? Only time will tell. Tensions are high. Volume is the higher. 97.805 and a penny. 97.8 even. And 87 cents. It's coming back down. Still less than 1 minute remaining. There it is. That's the close. 97.805 and 44 cents. Who is it? Flexa is over. Hoff's is the winner. 97,475, 97,468, 96,750. Congratulations, Hoff's. You are the winner closest without going over. Hoff's wins bragging rights, guys. Spam the bananas in the chat for Hoff's. Send your unsolicited nudes to Hoff's. He is the winner. You guys have no choice. That is what you agreed to when you signed the YouTube Terms of Service. I believe this is Hoff's second ever win. It could be more. I don't remember. I have short-term memory loss. It's his fault. He lost by a penny, though. I do remember that. Congratulations, Hoff's. What is happening? Why can't I type anything? Help me. Okay. Oh my gosh. There we go. 97,805 and 44 cents. Congratulations, Hoff's. Winner, winner. Not enough bananas in the chat, guys. Spam the bananas. All right, let's see. Oh, yeah, Janik said, what about money? Money didn't get to participate. I forgot to do the poll. Sorry. Let's see. Flexa said, ha ha ha. Bro, imagine being 1 number off the Powerball. Well, that's why we kind of Hoff's petitioned and we changed the rules a little bit. You can, if you win, like, if you get like 6 out of 7 numbers, then you'll win something. Like, if every single one is right, because somebody, I think it was it Janix? It was somebody. Somebody guessed, like, for example, the price was 97,805.44, and they guessed 97,804.44. That's still, like, 90% correct. So they did win something. Which, you know, it's kind of like a foundation in Hoff's name. In loving memory of Hoff's poor guess. John M. said, I came within a penny of guessing the exact daily close, and all I got was this stupid t-shirt. That's great. Janik said, what about money? I missed it, LOL. Hoff said, oh, crap. I never remember her. Oops.
She's gonna bust my ass for that. Well, Flexa said GG. Pizza said damn it, Flexa. Giovanni spammed a banana. Byron spammed bananas. Flexa spammed bananas. Flexa's cracking up. He said we were closer, but over pizza. Sorry. Janik said not me. LOL. Flexa said speaking of Powerball though, if you win $1 billion, do you only end up with like 400 million taxes and shit? So you can take the lump sum and then they'll tax the shit out of it. I believe they tax it less if you take the weekly payout, which is like, let's say you win like 100 billion, then they'll pay you weekly over the course of like 30 years or something like that, which is still an insane amount of money. But if you die, they might get to keep the money. So then it's kind of like, hey, you know, the state, the education department is inclined to kill me. Because then they'll get this gigantic check. So you gotta take the lump sum. I'm gonna take the lump sum. I don't want no fucking weekly bullshit. I can either, like, it's gonna be more money than I can spend anyways. But yes, they pretty much tax half of it. Hoff said there's obviously a budding rivalry between me and John. Not one banana congratulations from him. Damn. Not one banana. Hoffs is creeping up. I believe we got a couple of wins. We got to start a scoreboard for how many times people win. Janik said her guess was 96, 745, 59 cents. So she didn't win anyways. Okay, let's just tell her that she participated. I'm just kidding. That's so mean. But it makes me feel less bad about forgetting. But for the record, you do have to be here. You don't get special treatment just because you asked. We forgot to run the poll. That's my fault. Sometimes people can drop off their early at the early voting, whatever the fuck. Flexa said $100 would have paid for Daisy LMAO. I think it's cheap right now, isn't it? It's only like, well, it's what its normal price is. I think it's like $50, which isn't really cheap. It was just on sale for Black Friday and all the holidays and stuff. I just got to email a bunch of stuff on my wish list is on sale. Flexa said I'll join you on the game after the holidays. When I have better internet anyway, bro, I'm down. All right, I'll take you up on that, Hoffs or Flexa. We gotta get Hoffs a computer so he can play because he's bitching about console. Although he can play off the grid, we'll have to see. Let's see. Does off the grid support cross-platform? Oh, not currently. So if they ever add crossplay for off the grid, we can all play. I think it'd be super duper fun. Let's get off the 1 minute. It's very scary. I think it'd be fun if we all in the Discord got together and played like Rocket League or Fall Guys or something. I think that would be so much freaking fun. Could you imagine? We're definitely going to play some games like that during the 12-hour stream. Definitely want to play Fall Guys for sure. Rocket League is going to be a maybe. But we're definitely playing games during the 12-hour live stream. I don't remember. Did we end up going with the 23rd? I think we did. Let's see. Hoff said early voters need to donate $1 with their guess. Right? Janik said, yo, let's play Rocket League. We'll figure something out, for sure. Flexa said my stupid accent. Bitcoin is currently at 97,536 and 76 cents. Total 3, chilling. Bitcoin dominance looks like maybe it might be trying to reverse to the upside, but I do like this current red candle. I would love to see a continuation to the downside that would open up some breathing room for alts, which look like they need some breathing room. Let's go from the bottom. Chili's is still in its recovery. Near. See, here's my concern, is it did this recently. Dump. Recover, continuation, dump, recover, continuation. Is it just going to do that same thing? That's what all of these charts look like too. We are in a downtrend, a bear trend within a bull market, in my opinion. Although I am still convinced that I'm looking for the full-on bull market in 2025. Right now, I think what we're experiencing is like the setup. Yeah, everything's doing its thing, slowly but surely. Might get a red candle at the beginning of the hour here.
beginning of the 4 hour. Guys, don't forget to congratulate Hoffs. He is the winner of the daily close contest today. Congratulations, Hoffs. Very cool. Very nice. Hoff said, I still play Rocket League. Dude, the Rocket League was like the most innovative game design anyone's ever come up with, and it's so much freaking fun. Flexa said, do you start naked with your willy out like in Rust? No, you have starter clothes, but they suck. You really want to get clothes. You want to get better clothes, and you want to get food right away. Those are your first priorities. Get food. You got to find a well for water. You cannot, if you find a bottle with water in it, dump the water out. Otherwise, you're going to die. If you drink that water, you're going to get cholera and die. The game is very unforgiving. Crazy, crazy game. Looks like Bitcoin's going to try to break up here. Bitcoin dominance still red. That's what we want to see. Let's update our liquidation heat map. Ooh, that's very nice. 97,966. A lot of money right there. Are they doing that on purpose? That's a little suspicious. That is a big liquidation. Look at that. 94.5 million. Oh, is it because they liquidated this? Yep, 94.5. Look at that. Interesting. This looks so different now. See how quickly the chart can change? And then bottom, we got 96,770. I'm going to get rid of these. So it is still pretty tight, but that's a lot of money for them to not grab. And then we got another big one at 98,308. There's no way we don't hit that, right? Yeah, guys, movie of the day. I'm going to go with The Dead Don't Die. Let me see if that's what it's called. Yeah, The Dead Don't Die. It's got Bill Murray and Adam Driver. Very strange movie. Super duper enjoyable though. It's a campy watch. I would consider it. It's like a satirical horror comedy. Flexa said teasing. I hope we are back up to testing highs next week. No panic. Actually likely. John did genuinely call for 110K on December 29th. So if he is right, then guys, we're going to have to congratulate him somehow. That sounds weird. Cashapp said Bookmap has a good live stream showing money up at 99. Okay, nice. Flexa said if they are pursuing liquidations, we gon' go up. They always pursue liquidations. That's why I like to refresh it because it changes so much. Like that's a violent, drastic change. It looked completely different earlier. There was more liquidity to the downside. They took out a teeny little bit of it like 2 hours ago, and then there's suddenly just a shit ton of liquidity to the upside. This is like somebody opened up 100x or something here. 50x down here maybe. Something ridiculous happened that like caused that giant chunk. Total 3 maybe looking for some downside. Yeah, see Bitcoin dominance might chop around here for a minute and get alts faking out. I think eventually this keeps happening and then alts don't really care. So it is kind of a blessing and a curse. Flexa said, and red down at 90. Okay. Let's see what the watch list is doing. Yep, Hawktua losing some of the gains. Popo and Splo out of nowhere. Burb also looking relatively decent. Still, these are all mediocre gains for alts. or for meme coins, considering the fact that most of these are down tremendously as well. It's not even worth looking at the chart, to be completely honest. Let's see. Yep, Bitcoin's coming down a little bit. See, there's also still liquidations to be had here. Like this 33 plus 21 plus 22 plus 16. That's 102. So if this move is easier, then they're going to take that move over this move because they're going to get more liquidity this way. Maybe I might have fucked that up. 33, 21, 22, 16. 92. Okay, so that's the same. It's the same amount of liquidity to the downside. A little bit less even. But it's probably an easier move because they just did that. So imagine they dump their bags, then they buy their bags back, and then they dump their bags again. Meanwhile, the powers that be, are the exchanges making money off of fees and liquidations and all that stuff. Or it's just somebody with a shit ton of money and a referral code who's trying to liquidate their buddy. Their buddy's like, oh man, I got 100x long on Bitcoin right now, fingers crossed. How evil would that be? Damn. I wonder if that ever happens. Could you imagine being mad at your friend and be like, I don't want to, man, but I will liquidate your position? That'd be so fucked up. That's too far. Too far, man. Hoff said, is off the grid. Do you just have like search around, or is there some kind of map that tells you where people are? There is a mini map in the bottom. Did you ever watch the stream, Hoffs? What the hell? There's a mini map in the bottom right that tells you where enemies are when they're firing their guns. But yeah, you do just look around and shoot people. And there's little chests to find stuff. The more rare the gun, the better it kills. I don't know. It took me forever to figure it out, but it's so much fun. All right. Just Have Fun said, yo, what's going on? Just have fun. Guys, I'm probably going to call it. It's 15 after. Bitcoin's not doing a whole lot. As always, if Bitcoin does start to do anything crazy, I will hop back on stream. Otherwise, I will see you guys later. We're going to definitely be doing streams throughout the weekend. And I'm going to be doing DayZ in a little bit. So feel free to join us. I appreciate you guys for joining. Smash the like button on your way out. Happy Friday. And I will see you all next time. Good night.